Hi guys, this car's got a bit of a claim to fame. It was used as a chase car during the filming of the movie Rush. This car started his life as a McGale Formula Ford chassis. As you can see, it's got the monoshock on the front here, very unique to McGale chassis. Part of the life of this car was used as an experience day car, similar to what we do at Sydney Motorsport Park. It was run in the UK by Rob Austin Racing. As you can see on the engine side of things, it's got a different throttle body assembly compared to what it normally has from racing Formula Ford. Because it's used as an experience day car, there's no regulations it'd have to conform to, so that's why they've gone down this path. The job that we've got to do with the car is pull everything apart. We've got to take it back to a bare chassis. We've got to replace or to remove all these extra chassis rails. This is what was used to mount the cameras, fix up all the bodywork and make it looking nice and new again.